Managing vendors using Sanyog iCRM is made very easy and simple. In your vendor management module, just click vendors where you can list all the vendors here by either adding a new vendor individually by adding all those details relevant to that particular vendor, or you can do a bulk upload of all your vendors by downloading a sample format and entering those data in the Excel file, choosing the file and import. In just one click, you can have all your vendors added and all the vendors are displayed here. For your purchase to be made, you first have to start from the project. In project, you get inside any project bill of material. If there is no bill of material, you create by adding material or by copying from existing project. Before adding material or copying from existing project, you first have to set your library with your material library. The material library is either preloaded from masters. You can import from the masters the entire materials, all the materials with the hsn code and tags and all, the sizes, the different sizes that are available for your materials, the thicknesses that are available for each materials, the specification, either mr, bwp, plain, pre-laminated, any kind of specification, and the unit of measurement, either set, numbers, sheets, box, etc., square feet, whatever. So the material setup will give the entire list, combination, permutation, and combination of plywood can be in all these brands, in all these sizes, in all these thickness, and you can also edit them by adding more information here and updating the same. So by just clicking import from masters, you will have all the preloaded data which you can also append in the future. And this material setup will give you the material library completely loaded, so that while you get inside the BOQ, bill of material, BOM, you can just add a material by simply giving which material, which thickness, which size, etc. Or you can also go and give 1 second. You can copy from an existing BOM which is preloaded with the materials that are already available. So from that project, you can just copy it over here. And once you add all the list of materials, just check the material that you have to purchase now. So this bill of material gives you the list of materials which are required for this project. But by adding them to push to BOM, you will start the purchase tracking completely. Adding a material, you can give the required quantity and the available quantity so that the purchase quantity will be uploaded to push to BOM. Then by clicking push to BOM, you will have these two added in the bill of material consolidated in vendor management procurement module. So you will see that these two materials which are there are pushed here. So this is a consolidated BOM which will take the total materials which are required for all the projects that you are currently going to purchase. So you can select the vendors for this particular any particular bill of material which are required, and then you can add them to RFQ. By pushing them to RFQ, just click and push them to RFQ. You will have to select the vendor. Maybe just go add the vendor, and in materials you add the materials plywood, HDHMR, and then you go to procurement. You will be able to see that you have door glass planner here. Just click and raise RFQ. Site location is not added, so just go to site and then give the site details. So once you give all these details, you will be able to push to RFQ. In RFQ you will have the data, and then you can complete the purchase order by raising the purchase order.